There are some homes that impress because of their setting, others because of their architecture. Brookmead Cottage offers both. Beautifully and sympathetically remodelled, this exceptional coastal home extends to almost 3,000 square feet and occupies beautiful mature gardens approaching 2/3 of an acre and enjoys glorious views across rolling countryside towards Gerrans Bay and miles of open sea beyond. Originally a traditional Cornish cottage, Brookmead Cottage has been thoughtfully enlarged and comprehensively refurbished to create a home that perfectly blends with its original character and elegant contemporary living. From the moment you arrive, there's an immediate feeling of quality, privacy and permanence. Stepping inside, a welcoming reception hall forms part of the house. To one side is a spacious shower room and large utility room. The accommodation unfolds naturally around a series of beautifully connected living spaces. It's a home equally suited to entertaining on a grand scale or simply enjoying everyday family life. For me, this magnificent bespoke kitchen and dining room is undoubtedly the centrepiece of the property. Beautifully handcrafted on site, with generous preparation space, a central island, walk-in pantry and plenty of room for family dining, it's a space that's been designed to bring people together. The bay window fills the room with natural light and provides a wonderful connection with the gardens beyond. Adjoining the kitchen is a cosy snug, creating an informal sitting area before leading into the superb living room. This is a wonderfully elegant space, flooded with natural light through large corner windows that perfectly frame the views across the surrounding countryside towards Gerrans Bay. It's easy to imagine spending hours here simply watching the changing seasons. What I particularly like is that much of the original cottage has been retained with this impressive snooker room. The magnificent inglenook fireplace immediately reflects the property's heritage and creates a room full of warmth and character. Whether you continue to enjoy it as a games room, entertain friends here, or simply relax beside the fire, it's a wonderful reminder of the home's history dating back to the mid-1800s. Upstairs, the accommodation continues to impress. The principal bedroom suite enjoys an elevated position, taking full advantage of the glorious outlook, while 3 further generous double bedrooms and 2 beautifully appointed bathrooms provide comfortable accommodation for family and guests. But what really makes Brookmead Cottage special is the lifestyle it offers. Portsgatho is just over a mile away, whilst Porthcurnock Beach, the Hidden Hut and miles of National Trust coastline are all within easy reach. Whether it's sailing, paddleboarding, walking the southwest coastal path or simply enjoying one of Cornwall's most beautiful beaches, it's all right on your doorstep. The gardens are equally impressive. They've been beautifully landscaped to provide complete privacy, together with expansive lawns, mature trees, colourful planting and a series of terraces from which to enjoy their spectacular surroundings. Brookmead Cottage is a home that offers so much more than beautifully presented accommodation. It combines character, craftsmanship, outstanding gardens, glorious coastal views, and one of the finest lifestyles the Roseland Peninsula has to offer. I'm Mark Wilson, thank you for watching.